back to Max online class. Today we are going to discuss problems from exercise 5.1. Listen, question number 1 from exercise 5.1. Name the pairs of adjacent angles from the given diagram. Okay, see this diagram here. From this we are going to find out adjacent angles. What is the meaning of adjacent angles? Adjacent angle means nearby angles. Okay. See here. This angle is ABG. This is GBC. These two angles are nearby angles. So, we can write pair of adjacent angles are, the first pair we can write ABG and GBC. These two angles are nearby angles. So we can say these two angles are adjacent angles. Okay. Angle ABG and angle GBC. These two are adjacent angles. Then second pair of adjacent angles BCF and FCE. These two are another pair of adjacent angles. Here BCF and FCE. These two are nearby angles. Okay. Angle BCF and angle FCE. This is another pair of adjacent angles. Then the third pair is FCE and ECD. Here these two are adjacent angles, FCE and ECD. FCE and ECD. The third pair of adjacent angles, and the fourth pair is BCF and FCD. These two also adjacent angles. BCF and FCD. So totally 4 pairs of adjacent angles are in this figure. Okay. See here, first ABG and GBC, these two are one pair. Then after BCF and FCE is another pair. Third pair is FCE and ECF. These two are nearby. So these two are adjacent angles. And the fourth pair is BCF and FCD. Totally 4 pairs of adjacent angles are here. Listen, question number 2. Find the angle JIL from the given figure. In this figure, we are going to find out the whole angle I. That means JIL. See what is given in the question. 2 adjacent angles are given. One adjacent angle is LIK and KIJ. These two are adjacent angles. So, solution of the sum. Here, angle LIK and KIJ are adjacent angles. Angle LIK and angle KIJ are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means nearby angles. Okay. See, so JIL means enough to add these two angles. Okay. That is angle LIK plus angle KIJ. LIK is what here 38 degree and KIJ is what here 27 degree. What is the sum of these two angles? 65 degree. Therefore, JIL equal to 65 degree. Now listen the third question. Find the angle GEH from the given figure. See, In this figure, HEF, totally angle E equal to 120 degree. That means HEF equal to 120 degree. Here GEF equal to 34 degree. We are going to find out separately this angle is how much. Here HEG equal to how much. This angle we are going to find out. Okay. From this figure we can write angle HEF equal to angle HEG plus angle GEF. GEF. We know the value of HEF. That angle we know that is 120 degree already given in the figure. So 120 degree is equal to, we are going to find out HEG or GEH. Both we can write. Okay. So here GEH. I wrote here GEH because the question they given like that. Plus GEF equal to how much degree? 34 degree. Next we can shift this 34 degree into left side. So this plus 34 changed into minus 34 equal to angle GEF. When we subtract this, what we get? 86 degree equal to angle GEF. So the angle GEF equal to how much degree? 86 degree. In this problem, whole angle HEF is given. We have to subtract 34 from that. So we get the answer 86 degree. Now listen, question number 6. If the three angles at a point are in the ratio 1:4:7, find the value of each angle. See here, this is one point. The angles are in the ratio here 1:4:7. Okay. So just we can write here. This is angle 1. Here 4. The another one is 7. Just we can assume this 4x, 1x and 7x. Here already we know sum of angle at a point is equal to 360 degree. Here first we are going to find out the value of x and separately we can find the value of each angle. Okay. So what is given in the question? The three angles are at a point. So we can write angle at a point equal to, point is how much degree? 360 degree. Let us assume the three angles. Let the three angles are 1x and the another one is 4x and 7x. See, sum of these three angles how much degree? 360 degree. So first we can add these angles. 1x just we can write x plus 4x plus 7x equal to 360 degree. Add this, what you get? 7x plus 4x, 11x. 11x plus 1x, 12x. So 12x equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 divided by 12. When we cancel this using 12 table, we get 3 times 3 12s are 36. So the answer is 30 degree. Value of x is equal to what now? 30 degree. Then separately we can find each angle. First is 1x. X is equal to 30 degree. Then second angle is 4x, which is equal to 4 into 30. Already we know the value of x equal to how much? 30 degree. So 4 into 30 equal to 120 degree. Then the next angle is 7x equal to 7 into 30 equal to what? 210 degree. Therefore, the three angles are First angle is 30 degree and the second one is 120 degree and the third one is 210 degree. Okay students, listen question number 7. There are 6 angles at a point. One of them is 45 degree and the other 5 angles are equal. What is the measure of all the 5 angles? Okay, here 6 angles are at the point. That means for this sum we have to take angle at a point is equal to how much degree? 360 degree. One of the angle is given, then remaining angles we have to find out. Listen the solution of question number 7. What is given in the question? There are 6 angles at a point. Here this is the point. Here 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 angles are there. Then also given one of the angle is how much degree? 45 degree. Then remaining all the 5 angles are equal. So one angle is x means remaining 4 angles also x. Because what is given in the question, remaining 5 angles are equal. Okay, already we know angle at a point equal to how much degree? 360 degree. Here I assumed one of the angle is x. Okay, now we can add all the angles. X plus x plus x plus x plus x, because 5 angles are x and the 6th angle is 45 degree. Sum of all these angles how much degree? 360 degree. Okay, add this x now. 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. So 5x plus 45 degree equal to 360 degree. So 5x equal to what? 360 plus 45. When you are shifting to right side, it changed into minus 45 degree. When we subtract these two numbers, we get the answer. Subtract it. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 315 degree. 5x equal to 315. So what is the value of x? 315 divided by 5. Cancel it using 5 table. What you get? 6 5s are 30. Remaining 1. So next number is 15. Together we can take. That is 3 5s are 15. So what is the value of x now? X is equal to 63 degree. Therefore, what about the measure of all the 5 angles? Therefore, all the 5 angles are how much degree? 63 degree. Question number 8. In the given figure, identify any 2 pairs of adjacent angles. 2 pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay. Solution for this question. Angle PQT and TOS are adjacent angles. PQU and UQR are adjacent angles. Then vertically opposite angles PQT and RQU. Another pair of vertically opposite angles TQR and PQU. Question number 9. The angles at a point are x degree, 2x degree, 3x degree, 4x degree and 5x degree. Find the value of the largest angle. Here what is given? The angles at a point. Angle at a point is how much degree? 360 degree. So using that we can do the problem now. Okay. Angle at a point equal to how much degree? Angle at a point equal to 360 degree. Already we know this. In this question what is given? Sum of this angles how much degree? 360 degree. So x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree plus 4x degree plus 5x degree is equal to how much? 360 degree. Add x. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Okay. So, 15x degree equal to 360 degree. So, what is the value of x here? X is equal to what? 360 divided by 15. Okay. Using 5 table, first we can cancel these numbers. 3 5s are 15. Here, 7 5s are 35. 10 remaining. So, 2 times 2 5s are 10. Again we can divide 72 divided by 3. What we get? 2 3s are 6, remaining 12. So, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, the value of x is equal to how much degree? 24 degree. Then, separately we can find out the angles. First angle is x degree. X degree equal to how much? 24 degree. Second angle is what? 2x degree equal to 2 into 24 equal to 48 degree. Next, the third angle 3x degree is equal to 3 into 24 degree equal to what? 72 degree. Next, 4x degree equal to 4 into 24 degree equal to 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 1, 9, 96 degree. And the last one, 5x degree equal to 5 into 24 equal to 5 4s are 20, 10, 120 degree. What is the question? Here we have to find out the value of largest angle. Here what is the largest angle? 5x degree. The value is 120 degree. Therefore, the largest angle equal to 120 degree. Students, today's homework from exercise 5.1, question number 10, 11 and 12. Students, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.